Hey DIYers, today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, I am going to show you how to make a kitchen bench perfect for getting to that top shelf in your kitchen cabinets. You can make it with standard size lumber, and we're going to paint it with Americana Decor Chalky Finish paints. You guys are going to love this project. Are you ready? Here's what you'll need. The best thing about this bench is that it's like a canvas. You can paint it and stencil it any way you want. Americana Decor Chalky Finish paints come in a ton of different colors, so pick colors that match your home. And don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. Bye!